Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Noise has launched one more budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch, and this time it's the Colorfit Pulse Buzz. And in today's video, we're going to do the unboxing and we'll show you how it performs. So here is the box of the Colorfit Pulse Buzz, and in the front we have the picture of the smartwatch along with the model name, and it's a calling smartwatch. At the back we have the features, and this is the champagne grey variant. Apart from that, this smartwatch is available in a few different colors. About the features, we get the 1.69-inch TFT display, SpO2 monitoring, 7 days battery life, calling function, calls and SMS quick reply, female health tracking, heart rate monitoring, 60 sports modes, and this smartwatch is IP68 waterproof. The companion app for this watch is available for both Android and iOS. The MRP on the box is Rs 4,999, but right now this watch is available to purchase for Rs 3,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get a thank you card, and here we have the warranty details, and below it we have the noise stickers. After that we have our smartwatch. My first impression is that this champagne grey color looks wonderful, especially with this metallic finish body. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user manual, which has the detail info about the features of this watch. And then here we have the magnetic charging cable. And this is how it connects at the back of the watch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise Colorfit Pulse Grand is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Looking at the design and build quality, keeping in mind its pricing, the build quality seems decent. It's a little bulkier as compared to the other Noise smartwatches. The straps are of good quality, and during our testing, we found this smartwatch very comfortable on the hand. In terms of the overview, in the front we have the 1.69-inch TFT display, which comes with the curved screen. You have a smaller bezel at the top, but a thicker bezel at the bottom of the screen. At the right side we have the function button with the Noise logo. At the back we have the sensors along with the charging points. And you also have a speaker at the back along with 2 mics. So overall in terms of design, the watch feels lightweight and very comfortable on the hand. There is nothing extraordinary about the design, but it looks decent on the wrist. Now let's turn on this smartwatch and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, this time we have a brand new companion app from Noise, and that is a Noise Fit Prime. And here we just need to go to the add device section and choose the watch from the list. And that's it. The smartwatch is now paired with our phone. Now let me show you the watch features. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. You can also add more watch faces through the companion app. About the gestures, swiping down from the top will show you the notification history. And when you swipe up from the bottom, we have the quick settings. And here we have the connection status, and then we have the battery saving mode, brightness, calling function, find phone, and the DND. Swiping left or right will give you the access to the quick apps, and here we have the activity, heart rate, stress monitoring, and so on. To access the main menu, you need to press the crown like button. And guys, as you might have noticed already, that the touch response is good and there is no lag in the menu. In terms of the menu, first we have the noise health, and inside it we have the activity, and here you can see your current day's fitness data. And then we have the sleep, and this will show you the last night's sleep details. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, and guys, I find the detection very fast and the data seems fairly accurate. After that we have the heart rate, and here as well the detection is quite fast, and there is no false reading in this watch. And then lastly we have the stress monitoring, and guys, in this smartwatch you can also enable the continuous stress monitoring. Then in the menu we have the Noise Buzz, which has the calling function, and here we have the recent calls, dialer by which you can make a new phone call, and then we have the contacts which you can sync through the app. About the performance, we will talk in a moment. Then in the menu we have the workouts, and in this smartwatch you get 60 sports modes, and they're also neatly categorized. After that we have the sports records, and here you can see the workout history. Then we have the clock, and here we have the alarm, stopwatch, world clock, and then the timer with some preset timers. Then in the menu we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather as well as the weather forecast. After that we have the music, and here you can control the music on your phone and also increase or decrease the volume. After that we have the breathe, and with this you can do some breathing exercises. And then we have the reminders which you can set from the app. After that we have the flashlight, watch faces, and then finally the watch settings. In the settings first we have the call settings, and here you can change the ringtone, set the vibration alert, and ringtone volume for call alert. After that we have the brightness controls, vibration settings, wrist awake, which is the raise to wake feature. And guys, this feature works perfectly and the response time is very less. Then we have the usual DND, power off, reset and the restart option. So that's all the features we have in the watch, and right now I can say that feature wise you get some good features in this smartwatch. Now let me show you the companion app. So here we are on the home page, and on the top we have the step counts along with the distance and the calories burned. And then we have the sleep, heart rate, SpO2 and the stress monitoring data. You can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. On the next page we have the workouts, and from here you can start a workout session. After that we have the device page, and here you can see the connected device on the top. And then we have the features such as address book to sync the contact with the watch, watch face store, and here you can see the available watch faces for this smartwatch. Most of these watch faces look the same, but there are new few watch faces for this smartwatch. After that we have the heart rate settings, and here you can turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring. And then we have the SpO2 settings, and as mentioned earlier, you can do the continuous SpO2 monitoring. After that we have the stress monitoring, and from here you can enable the auto monitoring. After that in the menu we have the sedentary reminder, and then we have the call and the app notification settings. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, you can accept or reject the call from the watch itself. And talking about the performance, it's quite good and you can easily take calls using the smartwatch. But the other person on the call was getting some background noises. And now let me show you the message alerts. And guys, with the iOS, we don't get the preset replies option as well as the emoji support. And to be honest, the text size was a bit too small for the messages. Then in the menu we have some reminders such as drink water reminder, hand wash reminder and so on. So overall the Noise Colorfit Pulse Buzz is a decent looking Bluetooth calling smartwatch. The build quality is good and the design, though not that interesting, but still this watch looks good on the wrist. It's quite comfortable and you can easily wear this smartwatch for long hours. About the performance, we found the heart rate and the SpO2 data quite accurate, and the fitness data is also fairly accurate. Calling function is also an advantage and it does the job. But guys, sometimes we noticed that while making a phone call, the watch acts a bit strange, and there was one time where we were not able to disconnect the call. Apart from that, the other features works perfectly and we think it's a decent smartwatch. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a smartwatch at around 3,500 rupees price mark, then the Colorfit Pulse Buzz is a decent option. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Colorfit Pulse Buzz. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.